pretty unhappy with my old keyboard. The A key didn't work, the B key didn't work, the 4 key didn't work. Keys were just breaking on me the whole time, and come on, you can't game on something like that, can you? And it wasn't even real mechanical, so I decided it's time for a new keyboard, and I found this thing. The Trust Gaming GXT865. A pretty decent keyboard for its price. It was at half price when I bought it, from 70 to 35 pounds. And well, I figured it must be worth a try. Can't be much worse than what I've got already. Well, anyway, but enough complaining about my old keyboard, because we've got this new one. Let's take a closer look at it. So, as we can see here, it's got a pretty premium feel, which, you know, is pretty nice. It comes with a nice braided cable. And it comes with almost zero flex to it, which, come on, you try and bend that keyboard. I mean, it's got a metal plate here. You can't really do much. Can't really bend metal. So it's pretty nice. Comes with a nice little keycap puller over here. And nice cable routing. So if you, depending on how you want your setup, you can route your cables as you wish. I personally prefer it down here. And of course, it comes with little standoffs with rubber feet, which is very nice for when you are gaming. You don't want that keyboard slipping everywhere. Also, it comes with some red switches, which I'm not going to put off the keys now, but they do come with red switches. I think there is also a blue switch variant. However, we will be taking a look at the red linear switch variant today. Anyway, the feel is pretty nice, as I mentioned. It's pretty premium, and for its price, it's pretty nice. And now let's take a look at its competition today. The RK something or other. It's a good old no-name Chinese brand who sold a keyboard and mouse combo to me for £18 on Amazon. They claimed it's mechanical. As far as I can tell, it is not, based on the switch feeling difference between this keyboard and this keyboard. But, I mean, yeah, this thing's not got much flex, but it does flex a fair amount compared to real mechanical keyboards at the moment. And well, it's hardly the most premium feeling. Even in weight, this thing is really actually quite heavy, whereas this, I could probably lift this with my pinky. Let's just say it's hardly a premium feeling thing. Doesn't even come with nice cabling. It's pretty cheap overall, but then again, for £18, what was I really expecting? Then again, we're not here to talk about what I would get for £18. We are here to discuss what I would get for a keyboard that's half price from £70. So let's see what we actually get. So these lovely, supposedly linear red switches, which I'm more inclined to believe that they are, claim to be very good for typists and for gamers. So I guess we'll give it a quick type test. Oh, and I... So yes, I am not very good at typing. However, it is a very nice feeling keyboard, which once you get the hang of and once you get used to using, it is a lot nicer to type on than the Re, which we will now be trying out. So the Re, supposedly mechanical, however, quite obviously not mechanical. It doesn't have the same kind of feel, although it does have the same, you know, loud keyboard style that the Trust keyboard had. However, who knows, it might be better to type on, you know? The built-in wrist rest is quite nice, although not very useful if you're in for typing. However, if you are in for gaming, it is quite comfortable actually, whilst you are gaming. However, that's not what we're here to look at. We are here to discuss the typing. So, let's attempt to type on this. I have spent almost a year now typing on this, so theoretically, this should be a lot better for me to type on. Let's see how it feels. So, again, after writing practically the same sentence, yes, I did make less mistakes, although it is definitely not as nice a feel. The keys are very, very spongy, you know, they're very not nice to press, you know, they're not comfortable. The space bar is very loud, like, also the lighting, come on, like, this is what they call RGB. Like, this is what they call RGB. You saw earlier the lighting on the GXT. That was maybe what you might call RGB. This is an RGB. They've got on, off, or flashing. However, we'll discuss that in a moment, but we're actually just discussing the typing. So, the typing. Experience, boop on this, ding on the GXT. So, another one for the GXT. As I said I would, let's discuss lighting here. As a gamer, everyone wants RGB, right? So, RGB you have. Which is the real one, is the question. Well, it's this one. This is the real RGB experience, in a way. So these are both at their default set states, as they should be, because that's how I set them. I set them back to their defaults. And, well, as you can see here, they are totally different. Even here you get at least a little wave effect over across, even if it's not genuine RGB. Here you get very, very basic colors, nothing exciting, and even the vibrant colors of this keyboard just outperform this. Everything outperforms everything on the Re. And now then, let's discuss layouts. So the layouts on these keyboards are slightly different. For example, the shift key is small on this keyboard, which I am not the biggest fan of. However, I will give a pass on that one because some people do like that. I do like the large shift on this, of course. Although I do think that if anyone were to make a keyboard, they should have the small shift on that side and the big shift on this side, especially if it is a gaming keyboard. I like the fact that there's a numpad on both, of course. You know, they're both full-size keyboards. As you can see, everything else is mostly the same layout. So, yeah, layout isn't too different. However, durability, this is rated at 10 million keystrokes. This is rated at 50 million keystrokes. This is by far the better keyboard. And it is worth every penny spent on it. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Trust Gaming GXT865 and its comparison to my old keyboard. If you do want to see more content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, of course, and of course turn on the notification bell so you are actually notified. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm a head out.